Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words to, and to, and to are three homophones in English, which means they have the same pronunciation but different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. To is a preposition or part of an infinitive verb. As a preposition, I am going to the store. As part of an infinitive, I like to swim. For example, I am going to the park. She wants to learn how to cook. To is an adverb meaning also or excessively. For example, meaning also, I would like some ice cream too. Meaning excessively, this soup is too hot to eat. To is an adjective, the number after 1. For example, I have 2 cats. She is 2 years old. To summarize, use to when indicating direction, place, or in an infinitive form. Use to when you mean also or when something is excessive. Use to when referring to the number 2. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.